Hello everybody, this is my solar system here. Them 6 panels, that's for charging the battery on the tractor. 6 panels, about 1.45 kilowatts. 2 charge controllers there, meter, automatic transfer switch, fuse there, solar inverter. So I have 27.4 volts now in the battery, 130 watts power use, 4 batteries of 12 volt 230 amps. Today I've installed a battery equalizer because they were all over the place. Let's check now and see. 13.6, 13.6, 13.7. So this is a bit more charged than the others. And 13.7, so them two are a bit more charged. Them ones are new. I bought them this year because I had only 2 batteries. Them are second or third year now. So far I've used 1403 kilowatts worth of electricity from the solar panels, and now I'm gonna show you how the the battery equalizer works. So I'm gonna set this on amps. I'll calibrate it 0. So them are lower 2 and them are the higher 2. Point 20 amps, 1.1 amp. Now the other one, 0.99 amps, 0.3 amps, 0.3, 1 amp, 0.2, 1 amp. So this battery equalizer, what it does, takes from the batteries that are higher voltage and draws amps and voltage into the ones that are having lower voltage and amps. I hope I'm right. So this have done a ventilation system in case it gets hot, a thermostat and a bathroom fan. And this, I set it at 20, what it was, 23.4 cuts off and connects to the grid. 27.6 disconnects from the grid and connects to the batteries and the solar system. 2 charge controllers, .4 amps drawing, 2.9 amps, hold on, battery, 6.6 amps and 8.3 amps, so 7 with 8 of 15 amps. I'll tell you more exactly. Hold on, if I can get somehow around here without getting electrocuted. 14.5 amps drawing from the solar. 14.5 and from the inverter drawing just half an amp. Half an amp. Yes, so that's my solar system. Works very well. I have this Jandel 4000 watts 24 volt inverter. This is the second one I had because the other one just got faulty and they just replaced it. They just sent me a new one. I think it was new because it had here, look, a bent track, a fitting track. So far very pleased. I have a Victron BMV 712. So now the excess power is stored in the batteries at 261 watts. It still has 9.4 amps to charge, so the batteries will be full. 98.5% batteries, 27.93 volts, 9.27 amps go in the batteries. So very pleased. It's a sunny day. Yeah, so my solar panels are a bit dirty. I need to clean them. See, dusty. And that little panel there, I have a Victron 100 volt 20 amps, and I connected it through this white wire cable going to my house to charge the battery of the tractor while the tractor is just sitting there. And through this, it's coming from the grid, 2 wires into the transfer switch. Let me show you. So it's coming 2 wires there from the grid. Output, so the output will be what's going to the house, whatever this dictates, and the load and negative from the inverter. So this is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments and I'll answer your questions.